Let's jump straight into this explainer. Today, we're decoding divine attributes and exploring the push for Islamic unity.
So how exactly do finite humans even begin to grasp an infinite creator? It's a huge question. It starts with Esma-ul Husna. These are absolutely perfect names and attributes belonging exclusively to God. See, human traits are totally bound by time, but divine attributes, they are absolute and perfectly timeless.
Take the name Al-Basir, the all-seeing. This goes way beyond just physical sight, guys.
God perceives every single layer, the why, the hidden motives, even the deepest secrets in our hearts. To put that in perspective, 96% of our universe is unseen space. Our human perception is incredibly limited.
With so much unseen, how does this infinite divine perfection actually interact with our everyday, finite world?
Enter the concept of tenjacelli. It's basically the manifestation of divine attributes reflecting into our created reality. Think of blowing on a glowing ember. God excites creation into existence without actually transferring his essence. This beautifully avoids two extremes: pantheism, where the universe is God, and godless materialism on the other end. The real key here is finding that precise middle path, a perfect theological balance between creator and creation. These aren't just abstract theories. They literally act as a ladder for the human mind to ascend toward truth. Applying this means choosing real theological balance over simple tribalism, especially when looking at historical scholars and controversies. The source advocates deep respect for all historical imams. It's about being Muslim first, rejecting blind sectarian loyalty. Even with vastly differing traditions, from Abu Hanifa to Ibn Taymiyyah, we can neutrally honor them as guiding stars. Even highly controversial fatwas are framed here impartially, seen as direct Quranic interpretations rather than just rejecting the rules. Ultimately, true understanding pulls us away from strict sectarian boundaries. The goal is defining ourselves simply as Muslim. This perspective firmly rejects sect hooliganism. Instead, it pushes for broad unity across both Sunni and Shia lines. Think of shared faith as a massive mountain. Those minor historical disagreements, they're really just pebbles at the base. So, what's your takeaway here? Are you going to let a few tiny pebbles block your view of the mountain?